Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I will present really good example of my favorite cuisine, fusion confusion cuisine. I know for some of you it can be really huge confusion, but trust me, this combination of ingredients, it is really super tasty combination. Okay, check all ingredients that we need to create this extremely delicious UFO hangover sandwich. Amigos, extremely delicious UFO hangover sandwich is landing on the table. Of course, to rescue me. Bon appetit. Bon appetit very much.